Fourth standard students, let us start new chapter, halves and quarters. Okay, so before that I am reading the story and I will tell you. The story is given in your book. Okay, Mintu Kate and Motu Kate were friends. Once they stole a chapati from Malini's kitchen. I'll take it, said Mintu. You can see two friends, kids, and Malini's kitchen. They both stole one chapati. Okay, I will take it, said Mintu. No, I'll take it, said Motu. So they both were quarreling. While they were quarreling, there come Titu monkey. You monkey, you can see what is the problem. Where are you? Why you are quarreling? He asked. We don't know how to divide this chapati between us. The kids said. Okay, don't worry. So I will divide the chapati equally, both of you, he said. So he divided the chapati in this way. So this that Kate is telling it's not equal parts. So what he has done, he ate some parts. I will divide the chapati equally for both of you. He said, clever Titu divided the chapati like this because he is cunning. These are not equal and left part is bigger. Mintu and Motu said, oh, no problem, I will make it equal, Titu said. And he then cut a part of the left piece and ate it. Now it's equal. No, this part is much more than this. Oh, now the right part is bigger. The cats cried. I'm sorry, said Titu. He cut a part from the bigger piece and ate it. When there was only a small piece remaining, he said, this is my share for the work. Titu then quickly ate the last piece and climbed the tree. Very interesting story. Now I am explaining story in Hindi because whenever we listen the story in Hindi, we can enjoy more than that. अब क्या हुआ कि दो बिल्लियां देख रहे हैं आप. इन बिल्लियों ने क्या किया कि किचन से, एक लेडी थी उसके किचन में जाकर एक रोटी चुरा ली और दोनों दोस्त थे. देखो, तो उन्होंने कहा हम इसको डिवाइड कैसे करें. इसने कहा कि मैं लूंगी ये रोटी, इसने कहा कि मैं लूंगा. तो दोनों झगड़ रहे थे. तो ये बंदर बड़ा चालाक था. ये झगड़ा देखकर आया नीचे और उसने कहा, अच्छा तुम्हारे बीच क्या प्रॉब्लम हो गई है. तो इन्होंने कहा हमें समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि ये रोटी को हम डिवाइड कैसे करें. तो बोले बस इतनी सी बात, क्योंकि ये तो चालाक था. तो इसने क्या किया कि बोले मैं अच्छी तरह से तुम दोनों को अपना अपना हिस्सा दे दूंगा, चलो मैं डिवाइड कर देता हूँ. ठीक है, इसने डिवाइड किया. तो इस बंदर ने क्या किया, डिवाइड कैसे किया कि ये जो पार्ट है, ये वाला पार्ट इससे ज्यादा डिवाइड किया. तो इसने बोला कि इस बिल्ली का पार्ट ज्यादा है. तो इस बंदर ने क्या किया, अच्छा ज्यादा है तो ऐसा करता हूं, मैं इतना खा जाता हूं और फिर बराबर इक्वल कर देता हूं. तो ये इतना पार्ट निकाल के खा गया, गपचा गया. कितना चालाक है ना. फिर अब ये पार्ट इसने ज्यादा खा लिया इंटेंशनली, हाँ, क्योंकि ये तो चालाक है. तो इसने क्या किया कि ये वाला पार्ट इसने ज्यादा खा लिया. तो फिर ये बोली दिस आर नॉट इक्वल, ये वाला पार्ट ज्यादा है. तो फिर इसने क्या किया कि वो ज्यादा वाला पार्ट था फिर खा लिया और ये वाला फिर ज्यादा कर दिया. ऐसे करते 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 ये धीरे धीरे केवल थोड़ा सा पीस बचा, थोड़ा सा पीस. तो थोड़ा सा पीस जो बचा रोटी का, तो फिर ये क्या बोलता है पता है, कितना चालाक है. ये बोलता है कि मैंने तो तुम दोनों में इक्वल हिस्सा करते करते अब ये थोड़ा सा हिस्सा बचा है, तो ये जो मैंने मेहनत की ना तुम्हारे साथ दोनों के साथ एक्सप्लेन करने में कि अब इक्वल है या नहीं, तो थोड़ा खा लिया, फिर इक्वल है या नहीं, फिर खा लिया, फिर इक्वल है या नहीं, फिर खा लिया, फिर इक्वल है. ऐसे खाते खाते एक छोटा सा टुकड़ा बचाया और फिर बोलता है कि मैंने तुम लोगों के साथ इतनी मेहनत की ना, तो अब ये मेरा हिस्सा बनता है. तो मतलब क्या हुआ, पूरी रोटी ये बंदर खा गया, क्योंकि इन दोनों को नॉलेज नहीं था कि आधी आधी कैसे करें. और दूसरी बात कि शेयरिंग दोनों दोस्तों में होनी थी. तो दो पक्के दोस्तों में तीसरा चालाक व्यक्ति आ गया और दोनों की दोस्ती उसने तोड़ दी. तो जब फ्रेंडशिप हो ना, तो ट्रू फ्रेंडशिप करने की अगर थोड़ा खा भी लेते दोनों में से ज्यादा और नहीं लड़ते, चलो ठीक है, अभी तो ये मैथ्स है, तो अगर खा भी लेते तो क्या हो जाता, दोस्त ने ही तो खाया था, चाहे ये खा लेता या ये, तो ये दोनों के झगड़े में तीसरे का भला हो गया। इसलिए ट्रू फ्रेंड्स को कभी भी आपस में झगड़ना नहीं चाहिए। इफ वी आर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स, सो डोंट फाइट, ओके। So now let us come to the point, halves. So half. If the kids ask you to divide the chapati equally, how will you divide? We will divide middle part, from the middle. If you do not cheat like T2, the kids will have these parts. Both will get equal parts. Now half of half. If two more kids sum for food, how will you divide one chapati equally? Equally for 4 kids. So what we will do? 4 kids are there, so we will divide chapati like this, standing and horizontally, and we are getting 1 2 3 4 parts, and we will divide like this, and they will get each one part. So each of us got a quarter of the chapati. Quarter, that means 4th part. So you are a good divider, huh? Okay. Now see half of many pieces, okay. Rani got a chocolate. She divided it equally and gave half to her friend Reena. Circle the portion that Reena got. So easily you can find, you can see the chocolate, the pieces 1 2 3 4 5 6. So equal pieces you can take, so both can take 3 pieces. So this part you can round up, Reena got, okay, or 3 pieces you can divide in this way, 1 2 3 1 2 3. So this also, anyway, but each one will get only 3 pieces, not more than that, okay. Now see here, how many pieces of chocolate are there? 6. How many pieces were left with Rani? 3, because 3 will get Reena. Half of chocolate is tasty as a whole chocolate. Whole chocolate is also tasty, na children? Many shapes from a half sheet. Okay, take a piece of paper, cut the sheet into 2 equal triangles so that each triangle is equal to half of the sheet. So this art craft, in the art craft, marble paper you use, in that divide, diagonally you will cut and try to divide this, okay. Now shade the 2 triangles with different colors. So simple, white marble paper you will take and divide into, and or you can take a square paper, okay. Draw different shapes using this triangle. So one such shape is shown here. So different shapes you try and you will paste here. Many ways to cut into half. See here, I have made a rectangle into 2 equal parts like this. Both parts are equal, colored. Okay, we write it as half because half part with this color and half part with this color. It means 1 part out of 2. This means out of 2, 1 part equally divided. You can check if these parts are equal. Try keeping one on top of the other. What we can do for this? We will cut according to these edges, and we will keep one end on other. So if they both were covering completely, then we can say each one part is equal, okay. Now see here, next is what, beta? See, in how many different ways can you cut a rectangle into half? Okay, draw 5 different ways. Okay, so we can cut rectangle first in this, second in this, third in this, and then design zigzag part also, and like this any of design you can use also. Many ways to make quarters. The meaning of quarters, that means fourth part. That means I make 4 parts like this. Each part is quarter and I can write it as 1 by 4. It means 1 part out of 4. Okay, rectangle you can see. First divide, middle, and then divide in this way. Okay, so each one is getting, and if we want to divide vertically, we can take equal parts. In how many different ways can you cut a rectangle into 4 equal parts? Draw 5 different ways. Okay, can you check if they are equal? We can cut. So it is an activity and you will do this activity by cutting. Okay, so you will send on my personal number. So first to divide in equally 1, 2, 3, 4. Then second is 1, 2, 3, 4. And third is same way. And fourth is so try to this also. Okay. Now see at page number 98, cutting the cake. Okay, yummy cake. We all love cake, na? Rajni's father brought a cake. She divided the cake into 4 equal parts. Father, you can say, Rajni is dividing the cake into 4 equal parts. For herself, for her brother Raju, her father, and her mother. Okay, color it, share with different colors. So Rajni's part from your choice. Suppose Rajni's part we will color for red. No, orange. Okay. Raju's part we will color with blue. Mother's part with pink. And father's part with dark purple. Okay. So how much does each get? So each one is out of, you can see here, the cake is dividing into 4 equal parts. So each one is getting out of 4 part, 1 part, so 1 by 4. Mother gave her share of cake to Rajni. What her mother did? She gave her part also to Rajni. So suppose that mother's part is Rajni's part and mother's part. So mother has given, Rajni already taken this part and mother also given this part. So Rajni got out of 4, how many parts? 2. And in other language, half part. Now color the total part that Rajni will get. So Rajni will get half part. So here you will color. Out of 4 parts, Rajni will get 2 parts, which is equal to half of the cake. So she can write it as 1 by 2 or 2 by. Out of 4, 2 parts. 2 ones are 2. 2 2s are 4, and in other language half part. So 2 by 4 you will write here. You will write here 2. Before Rajni's mother gave her share to Rajni, she had only half of the cake, which was 1/4 of the total cake. Half of the half is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So color the share Raju got. So Raju's part you will color here. How much of the cake do Rajni and Raju together get? Color their total share. Rajni got 2 parts. Raju got 1/4 part. So all together they get 3 parts out of 4. So 3 parts you will color here. So we can write it as out of 4, Rajni got 2, her brother got 1. So total 3 parts out of 4. They enjoyed 3/4. Okay.